Hi, I'm Jo and I'm the Managing Director of Dorwest Herbs. I'm third generation of our family to run this company. We established in 1948, so it's our 70th birthday this year. I want to talk to you a little bit about noise phobia and products that can help relieve anxiety and stress. Particularly now we're talking about the autumn-winter issues, that is thunderstorms, lightning, wind and all those noises which unfortunately can trigger a noise phobia, or your dog or cat might already be a bit sensitive to those noises. This then unfortunately kind of runs this whole period around fireworks as well. So there's bonfire night or fireworks night on the 5th of November, there's Diwali in some areas and New Year's Eve celebrations again with fireworks. So we really need to be prepared. There's loads of behavioural advice out there which you can find on our blog as well, written by certified animal behaviourists, and lots of other really good quality information online. I'm primarily now just going to tell you about the products, which are Skullcap and Valerian tablets. Now these contain 4 different herbs and they all help relax the nervous system, reduce the anxiety, reduce the stress. They are the only licensed product in the UK, which is a herbal product for anxiety and nervousness. No one else has that licensed symbol on their product. It's been licensed since the early 1970s, so we've got a great long history of use, and you can be assured of the quality of the ingredients and the purity of them as well. Now the dosaging of this product is 1 tablet per 5 kilos body weight. So if you have a 20 kilo dog, it's 4 tablets a day. Ideally you split the dose between the morning and then like the late afternoon, ideally before dusk, because obviously that's when a lot of the fireworks go off. The dosing can actually go up to 2 tablets per 5 kilos. So that, again, for a 20 kilo dog, you could go up to 8 tablets a day. Now, if your dog has got a very severe phobia, you might need to go up to that higher dose, but we always recommend it on days you know are going to be bad. So if the local firework display is going to be on Saturday night, perhaps from the Thursday, start increasing the dose up to that 2 tablets per 5 kilos. It's really important, if your dog does have quite a bad phobia, to start giving this. We recommend about 3 to 4 weeks ahead of the night to really get it into the system. Quite a lot of people will run it right through to beyond the new year to make sure they've got that coverage. If your dog's just starting to show the signs of phobia, start about 10 days before the main event. Even if you only start the tablets a couple of days before, you will still find them beneficial. We also have a second product, which is our Valerian Compound. Now this is a liquid, so it gets into the system really, really quickly. It's got 3 different herbs in it. 2 of them are the same, so it's very similar in action. And again, it helps to calm and relax your pet. So ideal for top-ups really. It gets in the system about 15 minutes, only lasts for a couple of hours. So it doesn't give you the coverage, but it's great to have on hand. So if a thunderstorm suddenly starts in August and you weren't expecting it, you can use some of this. On the days that are really bad and it continues all evening, give a dose of this as well in the evening just to top up. It's also quite a useful one because you can put it on a cloth and put that in the bed and they will actually start sniffing, and those smells, those calming smells that come off the herbs will actually help them to relax as well. Cats really, really like it, so it's a great one for them. Also, if they're too stressed, to be able to administer it into the mouth if they've got to that point, then again, that's when it's good to put on the bedding. So, as I said, 1 month before for severe phobias, 10 days before for moderate phobias. Even if you just give it a couple of days before, start with the tablets, morning and evening, and then use the liquid to top up. Make sure you look at those behavioural techniques, such as making sure the dog's really well exercised in the day when you know fireworks are going to be bad, loads of tasty treats. We've got some distraction videos. Also, if you go to our website and our Facebook page, there's loads of hints on there as well. We have an advice line. You just need to give us a ring on 01308 897 272. Visit our website, dorwest.com, and our advisors can help you there. We've got online chat. And you can also, we've got a great little form you can fill in telling us a bit about your pet and about their kind of noise phobia, and we can put together a little bespoke plan for you with all the dosaging, when you need to start, which can be really handy to remind you to do it. You can cut it off and pop it on the fridge. So to do that, again, just pop to our main website. Any questions, please do get in touch. We're on all the social media platforms, or give us a ring. Great, thank you, bye.